This is the Giraffetools Grand Falls G20 retractable pressure washer. While I assemble it, we've got a choice to make. Which Ferrari do we clean? They're all very dirty, but I think today the 308 has been sat over here gathering dust for a long time and it deserves a good old clean up. At the back here, we've got a very handy 180-degree rotating bracket. The stylish, robust casing is both long-lasting and durable, but what I love the most is that Giraffetools have really thought out products. All the attachments sit here on the wall, so you're not wasting time looking through cupboards to find them. But my favourite feature by far is this, the auto retractable hose, which you can customise to any length you want. Up to 20 metres away. You can kiss goodbye to messy hose reels like this, cluttering up the floor. Let's put it all to the test. I'm going to give the Ferrari a quick clean, first using the bottle attachment to spray the Ferrari with snow foam. The powerful pressure washer with its very strong motor, 180-degree nozzle rotation, makes light work of it. I then let that soak and then simply click and twist to switch nozzles, and it's time to rinse off those suds. The long retractable hose means it's easy to get around the whole car, and the G20 makes light work of the whole job.